Here we are at the self-checkout counter, which is in the mall of Muscat, and this is how it looks like. So this is in the Lulu Hypermarket here, and you can have a look. So once you scan the product using the barcode there, you have to keep it in the tray, and this tray, it's like it keeps counting the things that you are keeping here, and then later you have to use this to pay, because it's self-checkout, so you cannot use cash here. You have to pay through your Visa card. Now you have to pick all the things, so they have left the bags here. You can keep all your things, and because you're doing everything yourself, so you can lift everything after you have paid. Yeah, so this is self-service checkout. You're doing everything yourself, which is sometimes, you really enjoy doing things like that when you have time, or when there's a queue and you don't want to wait at the counter. So here you have to scan your bill, which will confirm that you have paid, and then you can leave. So the glass door opens once you scan your barcode that's in the bill. So here it opens and you can go out. This was a new experience which we enjoyed, so we thought of sharing it with you. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.